done for the night. We'll pick it up at 8 cars tomorrow morning. Radio vs. the World not done for the night. Radio vs. the World racers, we will see you again. Details on that forthcoming.
All right, here we go. Tino Gibbon on the right-hand side of the racetrack for Let's Florida. Troy Pirez Sr. And probably one of the most beautiful cars on the... Oh, wait a second. No, that's not what I meant to say. My bad.
And then you opened your eyes.
I opened my eyes. Maybe that was the new mountain. What is this stuff called? Smoky Mountain stuff. That was my new vision.
Yeah. Smoky Mountain, all right. Ingredients: strawberries, rhubarb, sugar, pectin, and fire. What is pectin? Is it the pectin that makes it burn so bad?
But it's nail polish remover, apparently.
Ah.
Yes. But Troy Pirez Sr., one of the best drivers out there. It's great to see him back behind the wheel of the heads-up car. Justin Burns going to be the left-hand side of the JDB racing team. The 94 Mustang coming out of Edwards, Mississippi. Number 11 qualifier going against number 6. How cool would it be to see Pirez Sr. move on?
Well, Pirez Sr.'s car, one of the most deceptive in the entire Eliminator. I mean, it looks like somebody pushed it off a bridge, but it runs like stink.
Pirez is in. Burns puts it in the mains. Here we go. Oh, big time Holeshot going to Burns. Can he have enough? Yes, he does. Holeshot Central, baby. 039, 478 at 146. Pirez is done. Goes 475 at 148. But he slept at the tree. Justin Burns pulls off the upset.